we'll have another proving session, but this time we will have an equivalent relation where we will test the reflexivity, the symmetry, and transitivity. So our objective is to prove R or any relation using the definition of equivalence relations. So at the end of this quick presentation, you will learn how to prove using the definition of equivalent relations. So we'll start with this. Define a relation R on Z or integer by X is related to Y or X is equivalent to Y if and only if X plus 3Y is even. So prove that R is an equivalence relation. So for our proof, we will just follow the three properties, okay, in order to prove that R is really an equivalence relation. So we will start with, okay, reflexive. So our guide is A is related to A for all A an element of Z. So we will show this. A is related to A, that is A plus 3A is even. So this implies A plus 3A is equal to even representation 2 times a number. So we will use U, where U is an element of Z. And A plus 3A is 4A is equal to 2U. And we can factor this one, express it like this: 2 times quantity 2A is equal to 2U, where 2A is an element of Z. So from here, we can really express, okay, this with a factor of 2. And the other factor is you can represent, okay, any variable. So from here, we can say that A is related to A. So we're done with reflexivity. Let's proceed with symmetric. If A is related to B, then B is related to A for all A, B, an element of Z. So we will just show here A is related to B. That is A plus 3B is even. Okay? So this implies A plus 3B is equal to 2U, where U is an element of Z. So we will apply commutative property. So this becomes 3B plus A is equal to 2U. And we can multiply both sides by 3 by MPE. So this is 9B plus 3A is equal to 6U. 3B times 3, 9B. 8 times 3, 3A. 2U times 3, 6U. And 9B can be expressed to this form: AB, 8B plus B, okay, copy, plus 3A is equal to 6U. And from here, we can apply APE. So we have, in order to eliminate this 8B, and okay, move that one in the other side. So B plus 3A is equal to 6U minus 8B. And we have B plus 3A is equal to 2. Express it as 2 times a number. So 6U has a factor of 2, so we can divide. The remaining factor is 3U. 8 has also a factor of 2, so we can, okay, divide it. 8 divided by 2, that is 4. So copy B, negative, divide positive is negative. And B plus 3A is equal to 2V, where V is an element of Z. So from here, so we can see that from A plus 3B, it becomes B plus 3A. Okay, it's, okay, symmetric. And still, we were able to show that, okay, it is equal to 2 times a number. Okay, so from here, we can say that if A is related to B, then B is related to A. So we're done with the second property. For the third property, okay, we'll test for transitivity. So transitive. If A is related to B and B is related to C, then A is related to C for all A, B, C, an element of Z. So we'll show here A is related to B, that is A plus 3B is even. And this implies A plus 3B is equal to 2U, where U is an element of Z. Another, B is related to C, that is B plus 3C is even. Okay, this implies B plus 3C is equal to 2V, where V is an element of Z. So we will show, okay, A plus 3C since we are working with transitive. So we can add this. Adding, we have quantity A plus 3B plus quantity B plus 3C is equal to 2U plus 2V. Okay, and this is the same as A plus 3B plus B, 4B. Copy 3C is equal to 2U plus 2V. Okay, and then we can use APE, okay, to move this 4B, and it will become negative 4B. So A plus 3C is equal to 2U plus 2V minus 4B. And we can have A plus 3C, okay, we can factor it, okay, we can consider a factor of 2 since we are working with 2U. So 2U divided by 2U, 2V divided by 2V, negative, okay, 4B divided by 2, that is negative 2B. That's why we have here 2 times quantity U plus V minus 2B. And A plus 3C is equal to 2W. So we were able to show, okay, that still A plus 3C is equal to 2 times a number where W is an element of Z. So we can say really that if A is related to B and B is related to C, then A is related to C. So we were able to show, okay, the three properties. So we can say that therefore R is an equivalence relation. So we will put the QED to show that we were able to prove the given. So, can you prove other R's or other relations as equivalent relations or equivalence relations? Okay, you can try this. Prove, define a relation R on Z by x related to y if and only if 1 plus xy is greater than 0. Prove that R is an equivalence relation. So don't forget to like and share. Thank you.